Hello viewers, welcome to TV. To share, like to on YouTube. More information on culture. And to about the seasonal climate has been by Nigerian Meteorology NIMET and 6 and local government as at Abaji. The onset of rain 2020. The rain will stop November 20. In Abuja, with its head, the is May 14, so by November. I take that again. Abuja municipality is headquarters at the onset of rain, and the rain will start 15, 20. Local government with its headquarters is May 17, will stop by local government headquarters at the onset of rain and the rain November 14 for local government at Kuje of rain in FCT rain is May 11. Rain will stop by 17. So it is capital territory. The 2024 rainfall prediction has been released by the meteorological agency. To tune in, click on FCT TV.